are you a gamer? Yeah, I game. Me playing Cookie Run Kingdom on my phone, simultaneously while on the computer playing Repo with my friends and being chaotic. Like, it's great.
Hobbit Hike is our nerd hiking club. I started it because I wanted to see nerds getting outside and active. And I know for a lot of nerds, hiking may be something new for them, or they may be new with exercise. And this was a way to make it inviting and a way for them to also meet other nerds in the process. You know, when we first started, it was maybe 10 people coming to our hikes. Now we have 50 to 100 people signing up for each event. We want to make sure that everybody is safe, that we have like all of our precautions in place. But I also take a lot of care into making sure that everyone has a way to meet other people. A lot of people come to my hikes and they tell me that they're socially anxious, they're really nervous around new people. So we take a lot of time planning ways so that there are activities in place for people to meet others and feel really comfortable and safe doing that.
Being from LA, just seeing the Hobbit hikes from afar made me want to join.
It's been pretty interesting getting to meet a lot of the people that I've already known and like new faces as well.
The word we use a lot is community, and it's more community-based, which is what I like a lot, especially like-minded, like nerds and fitness and stuff like that.
I just love the group's overall message to help nerds try to hit their fitness goals.
It was so much fun that I don't think people realized like how far we had walked.
It was great. It was so whimsical. Like, we dressed up. I got to wear my little frilly apron, just to see like the difference too from like the very first hike I went to like a current hike is just incredible too.
Okay, so we're in Las Vegas. It is so hot right now and it is really tough for a lot of people. So I want to keep my hobbits safe, and so for this month we're doing at round one instead of going outside. I figured round one was still a fun way for us to get our steps in, maybe play a little DDR, Dance for Stardom, and still be active.
I actually was able to find a like-minded group of people and individuals that are not only into the nerdier video game lifestyle, but also into fitness.
That energy from feeling everybody feeling included and just being happy to see each other kind of really makes me feel good, just to kind of feel that energy around me.
The first event was the Hobbit Hike 2 months ago at the wetlands. And that was fun. I was gonna go on a hike before that, and I don't know why I didn't. I think I didn't have the day off from work or something, but I just knew, like the next one, I'm not gonna miss it, and I made sure I went to that one. And it was fun, and I've been going all of them since, and I don't regret any of them. I always request a day off just so I can go.
In the beginning, when we did a lot of like stops to do some like whimsical things, our big thing was to do skirt and cape twirls. Like every chance we get, I feel like that's probably like one of my favorite parts.